YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I've been going for a minute, man. And I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Alrighty guys, hey, you already know, got a second channel. Subscribe to that, link is gonna be in the description below. Just click the link, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for me. Also guys, you can see I got a new 2/6 King Wavy Velvet DURAG. You wanna copy yours, link is gonna be down in the description below. It's gonna take you over to the website. You know, anything you purchase off that website, use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your overall purchase. So I know you guys read the title and y'all seen the thumbnail. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back, guys. So right before we get into this video, I want to do a little unwrap for you guys, just to show you the update of my wolf. We'll be cutting it off this Saturday, so y'all stay tuned for that cut. All right. Okay, so guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I have been slacking, okay? It's been a busy week, tough week for me. So this past week I have not been really putting in the work into, you know, my progress. But this last week before I cut the hair off, you know, I'ma just start going crazy with the hard brush, then medium and soft. But guys, let's start with this video. So why I named the title like that is because if you wear a velvet DURAG, that's not really gonna help you progress. Matter of fact, that's gonna make you lose progress, because first off, it's a difference between these two DURAGs. This one's actually silky. Alright, this is a silk DURAG, and this, I have no idea what this DURAG is made out of, but it's velvet. I love the style of it. Everyone loves velvet DURAGs. Alright, anyways, if you wanna know where I got this DURAG from, I got it from 26kingwavy.com. That is linked down in the description below. Go get yours today, man. Use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off. So guys, I've been experimenting something, alright? I have not used this DURAG for probably 3 days, and I've just been doing velvet DURAG, straight velvet DURAG. So I went to sleep with my velvet DURAG. I put in a nice brush session the night before. Went to sleep with it. I woke up. It looks like I lost progress. This, when I sleep with this on, I wear it, bro, my head be looking shiny and like my waist be looking deep. But this, the velvet DURAG, you can't really sleep with this. It moves around, it's so stretchy. It doesn't, yes, it has great compression, but when it comes to giving your hair shine and keeping your progress and laying it down, it does not work, okay? So that's why you should not use a velvet DURAG to progress with your weight. Velvet DURAGs are amazing. I'm not gonna down them. I love velvet DURAGs. I just started wearing them by 26 King Wavy. Just started wearing them. I love the style of it. I just love the way it feels. I love everything about it. I love how stretchy it is. And also, like I said, it's a style. So if you ever wanna wear a velvet DURAG, okay, for progress, don't forget to always put your silky DURAG underneath, alright? Because that's just for extra compression. The velvet DURAG is just for extra compression. It's not for progress. So don't do it, don't do it. I've tried it for y'all, okay? I've experimented it for y'all, and I think I kind of lost progress on my top. And I was trying to break this fort, and it's just like everything looks messy because I've been using the velvet DURAG. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you how to use a velvet DURAG. Alright, so after you put in a good brush session in, make sure you have a silky DURAG from 26 King Wavy. Get your silk DURAG. Use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. Don't pay full price if you subscribe to my channel. Alright, if you're my subscriber, do not pay full price for any of these products. Discount code is 360juice26. Don't forget that. So guys, before you wear a velvet do-rag, this is the proper way to do it if you want to progress. But if you want to just wear for show, go ahead, do that. Now you can do the no knot method if you want, but you can do whatever way you want to. You can tie the do-rag whatever way you want to tie. No knot method. You can tie a knot in the back, whatever way you want, man. All right, now just fix it up. Okay, guys, that's it, man. Don't tie your velvet do-rag on without a silky do-rag underneath. All right, guys, that's it. You know, 26 King Wavy merch. Get yours today. Ain't nothing else to say about that. This looks dope, don't it? Alright, so that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was informational to y'all. Hope you guys learned something new, because I definitely learned something new these past 2 days, man, because my hair was looking crazy, man. Y'all see I ain't post on Instagram because my junk was looking crazy. I had to bounce back. I ain't even do a washing style. I had to bounce back with a hard brush. That junk was hectic, man. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.